Welcome to this video showcasing the top 10 budget-friendly travel destinations in Italy. In this video, we will take you through some of the most popular spots in the country, from the iconic Colosseum to the breathtaking Amalfi coast. Get ready to explore the best of Italian culture, history, and cuisine with these affordable travel options. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Number 10. The Colosseum is an iconic symbol of Rome, Italy, and one of the world's most famous monuments. Built in 80 AD, it was used for gladiatorial contests, mock sea battles, animal hunts, executions, and more. Today, visitors can take guided tours to learn more about its history, take photos outside and inside the Colosseum, and explore the ancient Roman Forum and nearby Palatine Hill. Despite being a popular tourist attraction, the Colosseum remains a budget-friendly travel destination due to its location in the heart of Rome. You can find plenty of affordable activities in the area, such as dining at local cafes or visiting lesser-known churches and museums. Number 9. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is an iconic symbol of the city of Pisa, Italy, which is renowned for its architectural beauty. Built in the 12th century as part of a larger complex, the leaning 8-story tower was initially intended to stand up straight. Over time, the soil beneath the tower slowly shifted, causing the structure to tilt at an angle of 5.5 degrees. Today, the tower is a popular destination for visitors who come to take photos, learn about its history, or climb the 294 stairs to the top. Despite its popularity, the Leaning Tower of Pisa remains a budget-friendly travel destination due to its location in the heart of the city and a variety of affordable activities in the area, such as visiting. Number 8. Pompeii is an ancient city located in southern Italy, which was destroyed by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. Despite its destruction, the city remains an important part of Italian history and culture, as many of its structures have been preserved and open to visitors today. Visitors can explore the ruins of the city, viewing the ancient streets, villas, and artifacts, as well as touring the nearby Vesuvius National Park. Pompeii is also a great budget-friendly travel destination, offering a variety of affordable accommodation and activities, such as guided walking tours and nearby beach days. Number 7. The Vatican Museums are located in the heart of Vatican City and are one of the most important cultural sites of Italy. They house a collection of over 70,000 works of art, from classical sculptures to Renaissance and Baroque masterpieces. Visitors can explore the galleries, take photos, and even tour St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. Despite its popularity, the Vatican Museums remain a budget-friendly destination thanks to its central location in Rome and plenty of free attractions in the area. Budget travelers can save money by taking advantage of food tours, walking tours, and cheap transportation options. Number 6. The Uffizi Gallery is an acclaimed art museum located in the historic center of Florence, Italy. It houses a vast collection of artwork from renowned artists like Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Da Vinci, and is one of the most important cultural sites in the country. Visitors can explore the galleries, take photos, and even take special tours such as evening or photography tours. Despite its popularity, the Uffizi remains a budget-friendly destination thanks to its location in the city centre and a variety of free or discounted activities such as guided walking tours and discounted tickets for students and seniors. Number 5. The Pantheon is an iconic temple located in the heart of Rome, Italy. Built in 126 AD, it is one of the oldest and best preserved structures in the city and an important symbol of its ancient heritage. Today, visitors can explore the temple, marvel at its majestic interior, and even visit the nearby piazzas, markets, and churches. Despite its popularity, the Pantheon remains a budget-friendly destination thanks to its central location in Rome and plenty of free attractions in the area such as photo opportunities, guided tours, and evening concerts. Number 4. The Boboli Gardens is an expansive park located behind the Pitti Palace in Florence, Italy. Built in the 16th century, it is one of the largest and most important green spaces in the city, featuring a series of terraces, grottos, sculptures, and flower gardens. Visitors can explore the various gardens, take photos of the amazing views, or relax with a picnic. Despite its historical significance, the Boboli Gardens remain a budget-friendly destination thanks to its central location in Florence and free activities such as guided walking tours, yoga classes, and outdoor movie nights. Number 3. The Bridge of Sighs is an iconic bridge located in Venice, Italy. Built in the 17th century, the bridge was used by prisoners as they were transported between the Doge's palace and the prisons, thus becoming a symbol of the city's judicial system. Today, tourists can take photos of the bridge from outside or inside the palace complex. Despite its popularity, the Bridge of Sighs remains a budget-friendly destination thanks to its location in the heart of Venice and free activities such as walking tours and gondola rides. Number 2. The Amalfi Coast is an incredibly beautiful stretch of coastline located in southern Italy. It features breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea, stunning beaches and coves, as well as charming towns and villages. Visitors can explore the area by foot, boat, or car, taking photos of some of the most beautiful scenery in the country. Despite its popularity, the Amalfi Coast remains a budget-friendly travel destination due to its numerous budget-friendly accommodation options, activities, and its proximity to other less expensive cities such as Naples. Number 1. The Duomo di Milano is a large cathedral located in the center of Milan, Italy. It is one of the largest and most famous churches in the world, and its incredible beauty and history make it an important symbol for the city. Visitors can explore the inside of the cathedral, take photos of the stunning facade, and even take a tour to the roof for amazing views of the city. Despite its popularity, the Duomo remains a budget-friendly destination thanks to its central location in Milan and plenty of free activities such as walking tours, concerts, and outdoor movies.